Good morning, adventurers. Welcome back to Happy Trail Backpacking. If you're new here, you should subscribe if you like exploring nature and hiking around all over the Midwest. Today, it is 0 degrees. Little flurries in the air. And we are at Lake Shetek State Park. This is interesting. Little bathroom area here. Beautiful. Check this out. Alright, this is Lake Shetek, the park's namesake, and it is very still out here. No breeze, no nothing. No animals, no birds chirping. So quiet. Anyway, let's get started hiking. Alright, so this trail is about 6 miles, just under 6 miles long. It's 5.9, I believe. It almost all of it is along shoreline here. We're going to be hiking along Lake Shetek for a while. Then we're going to go to Smith Lake, and we're going to hike all the way around Smith Lake. We're going to come back across a prairie, I believe. And then we'll be hiking out onto an island out there. Hiking around the island and back to the car. Alright. So, should get some pretty nice wintry views of this lake here. It's about time it got cold here in Minnesota. Right at the end of the year. Here's some cabins I believe you can rent. Got a little picnic table, fire pit. They look nice and cute. They're not very secluded. There's another one right there, another one right there. It looks like there's a main bathroom building right there in the middle, and they're all around it. And it's right off the trail here, so it's not, it's not very secluded, but nice little cabin. It's got electricity. I'm not sure how much they cost, but I'd say on average they're usually around $85 a night. Here is a cart-in campsite. Nice little tent pad back there. Picnic table, fire pit. Right across is another one. Alright, here we have Shetek Monument. There was an Indian massacre here on August 20th, 1862. There are 14 people buried in this mass grave. This monument was erected in 1924. On the other side here, there is a list of the people that are buried here and the ages of their death. And on the front it has the seal of state of Minnesota, and it's Shetek. Now we're gonna be hiking away from Lake Shetek, and we're gonna be heading over there to Smith Lake and hiking all the way around. Ladies and gentlemen, Smith Lake. So, my electronics are having a hard time. The camera on my phone are having a hard time with this cold weather. Having trouble keeping my batteries warm. I got a battery in my glove here, trying to keep warm. So, I really have no information on this house whatsoever. Also, the signs here just say that they're working on this exhibit, so. Looks like an old style cabin, maybe from the mid to late 1800s, I would say. I'm just guessing. A nice axe sharpening stone over here. Take a walk around the back, see what we find. Just a couple of windows. Pretty cool. Well, moving on to Loon Island. Again, Lake Shetek. This landmass over here is Loon Island. There's a nice little sandbar leading out to it. And then we'll be hiking around the perimeter of Loon Island and back. Ooh, a nice little cool breeze running across this thing. Beautiful open lake views. Wow. You know, it's weird. There were no cars here when I got here. I haven't seen anyone's footprints until now on Loon Island. There's been a pair of footprints going around. Still haven't seen anybody, haven't seen any cars. The ghost footprints. No, I'm just kidding. It is beautiful out here, but it is very cold. I am starting to get a little chilly. The cold is starting to soak through. Oh, but it's just a gorgeous day today. So still. Alright. Well, this loop here on Loon Island is just under a mile, including the sandbar thingy coming out to it. It's 1 mile. And we're almost back. A little bit longer to go. Gotta keep moving or I'm gonna get cold. Crossing back over across the bar here, back to the mainlands. I'm gonna follow the shoreline of Lake Shetek here a little further.